we sign off, could you tell my audience one super tip on being successful?
Most of my inspiration and my core tips really did come from my mom around our kitchen table. And Mom used to always tell me, show up, do your best, let go of the rest. And those are 3 separate pods that are very powerful, each unto themselves. Showing up for your family, for yourself, for your beliefs, for your personal identity, showing up. Those are the people that get ahead. It's not the ones with the highest IQ or that knew the most, best connected. It's the ones who show up consistently. Do your best. What a simple piece of advice. That will always set you up for the next moment. And then let go of the rest is the piece that I think is the hardest to follow. Once you've been in that situation and you've handled it the way you handled it, if you did your best, then that should make it easier to release, because what else can you give, right? And I think that until we let go of things and stop replaying it, we can't step forward into our next stage. And being a woman who is getting in her goddess years, which I'm very happy about, I find that a lot of women get stuck wanting to go back to where we used to be. Whatever your age is, I want to go back to when I wasn't divorced, or when I had a stronger body, or when I made more money, or whatever it is. That's a horrible trap, because there's another stage, a literal stage, where there's your solo in the spotlight moment, Barbie, right? To take that stage, but your music that you need to dance to now is playing over there. So you have to let go of this stuff to get there. And that's challenging.